morning. Today we're going to start with our calendar. And the first thing we're going to do is we are going to say our months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Our month is November. Now we're going to say our days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So yesterday was Wednesday. So what is today? Thursday. And then if today's Thursday, tomorrow will be Friday. All right, let's count our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Today is the 19th day of November. I can say the whole thing. Today is Thursday, November 19th, 2020. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you again tomorrow.